Hi, in this video we will see the formatting in Excel. So example, I am writing all the months, calendar months. Now the first January, I want to make it, so I am just writing, so this is the month. So example, this is the heading, so I want to make it a bold. Okay, so to make it a bold, I am making it, I am just clicking B here. Okay, so this become bold. Okay, so similarly, if I want to do italic, okay, if I want to do italic, then I'm selecting that cell, I'm just clicking that mouse pointer on that cell, and I'm just clicking the I. Okay, so here we are seeing this become italic, right? So here this also shortcut is there. This is, you can click it like Control plus I, or here you can see, you can click the Control plus B. Similarly, if you want to see the underline, example underline, so in this case, uh, so you can select that cells and you just click U. Okay, so once you click, this will become underline. Okay, so similarly, if you want to make it this marks with a red color, right? So in this case, you can select the, here the font you are seeing, right? Font color, you can just click it the red color. So this will become font color. So example, you want to see the highlight. Okay, you want to say highlight the next part, next cell, or you want to highlight any cells, right? So in this case, you want to fill that cell, with a different color. So I just click that one, that cell, and I just click the fill cell. So you can select any color. Example, I'm selecting yellow color. So okay, yellow color. If you want to remove it, so go to here, make it no fill. Okay, again you want to put it the blue color example, just select that and select the blue color. Okay, so this is called it the fill color. Okay, and this one example red, you want to make some different color, select it here, more color, or you want to select any color, or you can select the more color also, and you can select any color. Okay, similarly, this one, right, this one you have to make some increase in size, increase in font size, you want to increase, right? So in this case, just select it and you just click here on one A is there, increase font size, so you just click it here. Once you click, it will become increase in font size. Similarly, you want to decrease the font size. Okay, so you want to decrease, so in this case you just select it, and here one decrease font size is there, just click there, so it will become decrease font size. You want to, additionally, you want to make the normal font size, you want to size customize on your own. Okay, customize means on your own, right? Just select that one and you can select on your own. Okay, similarly, you want to define this with a different style, right? The different font, so you just select that cell and you make a different font based on your selection. Example, Algeria. Okay, so this is how the font will look like. Okay, so we covered like bold, italic, underline, and font color, fill color, increase side, decrease side, customize the size of the font, and any font, right? Similarly, if you want to make it like for this particular cell, you want to make it border, right? So here on table you are seeing, okay, bottom border. So you can define whether you want to on top border, so here you select the top border. You want to select, so become see here top border happen. You want to make a down border, okay, or bottom border, so make the bottom border, right? So become top and bottom. You want to make full border, so just go there and make all border. Okay, so this is called the cell border. Okay, so the next is example, we will go to the alignment section. Okay, so So example, before going to alignment, we'll discuss the cut, copy, and format painter. So example, you want to copy something, right? So I am removing here for the now. Okay, so I want to copy, right? So example, first one, I just selected everything and I just click Control C, or you can just select it and you just click here copy. So you just copy it and here select where you want to paste it. So just click there and make it paste. Okay, so here also paste with different option is there. So now you want to select as is. So just click paste, Control P. Okay, if you want to paste only space, okay. So paste again will go in details. So this is the paste. You want to make everything, you want to make a same size, okay, same format. So example, in the whatever is month is there, March, you have to make the same format, right? So you just click the format painter. Okay, I just click on the March and I just click format painter. Then I'm selecting everything, I'm just clicking on everything, I just selected and just remove the mouse. Now what happened, everything whatever it was in the March, the same pen, same format, right? It was red color, it became red color, everything. Now example, you want to make this color, okay, April, right? So this is filled with the blue color, right? So you want to make this also as the same color, right? So just click it here and select the format painter and then you select everything. Okay, it became the how to use the format painter. So we saw copy, we saw paste, we saw format painter. Okay, similarly, if you want to do the cut anything, so example here, whatever it is there, you want to cut it. Okay, so you just click Control X or you just click that cell and make it cut, and here you want to paste it, so click it here and paste it. Okay, it become cut, copy, paste, right? So here it's selected also cut and paste. Okay, the next section is we'll see the alignment. Okay, so example, your alignment is example, I want to keep it here. Okay, so again I'm doing the copy paste here. Okay, so in this case, okay, I'm just selecting, like I'm doing normal selection. Okay, and then you want to make all this thing like left alignment, you can make it left, just select any cell. You want to make a right alignment. Okay, example, this one you want to make left alignment, this one you make the center alignment, right? So this alignment section we discuss. This is we did left, this is did center, this example you want to do right, so just click right. Right, I just selected and I did the right alignment. Similarly on the top, it's in top align, middle align and bottom align, right? So here top align, middle align and bottom align. So here example, keep your cell reference here and you just select top, become top. This one you make it middle align, just click there and make it middle align. This you want to make it bottom align, just click it bottom align. Okay, similarly this one you want to make it to move it to decrease indent, right, or increase indent, right? So you make it, so see here increase indent happen, right? We discuss how to increase indent. Similarly you want to make it a decrease indent, right? So just select there and make it decrease indent. Okay, so you can do the decrease indent, right? So while writing, formatting anything, it will use, right? So this is called the decrease indent. Okay, next is you want to do the wrap test. Okay, example, you wrote something here. Okay, so you wrote here, example, you wrote here like this. Okay, and this section does not example, your cell weight is this much. Okay, so what's happening in this column? This is going to the next column, right? Example, column size is this much, it's going to next column. So what you can do, just select those things, those cells, and you select the wrap test. Now see, it become a wrap, right? So I will take one so that you can easily understand. I just selected August and I did the wrap test. Now this August cell become wrap. It means enter in the inside the cells, whatever you wrote, it's visible now. Okay, next is, this is we discuss wrap test, right? So next is you want to see the merge and center. So okay, so example, this section, okay, you want to make it month, okay, and you want to merge it, right? So example, you selected this, this section you want to merge it, means inside all these cells you want to write it. So select all those cells and you just click merge the center. It became merge and center. So here you can do alignment, everything, right? Top alignment, see, top alignment happen. This is center alignment happen, right? This is bottom alignment happen. This is left alignment. This is center alignment. This is right alignment. You are seeing, right? So this section, it is not clearly visible, but here it's clearly visible, right? So this is, we'll discuss merge and center with alignment, right? So all alignment, like left, center, right, and right. We discussed top align, we discuss middle align, we discuss bottom align. Okay, so the next is we'll discuss the numbering. Okay, we'll discuss the number format. So here, example, you wrote something, right? So example, you are writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 number, right? So all are the number, right? So you want to make it with a decimal, right? So you just select it here and make it decimal here. I just clicked it here, it became number now with decimal. You want to decrease the okay, so you want to decrease the decimal, right? So just select it here, or reduce the decimal, right? Decrease the decimal, just decrease it. So one decrease. Now first decimal, second decimal. Now you want to increase the decimal, just select it and increase the decimal. How many decimal you want, you can increase. You are seeing, right? You want to decrease, again decrease. So based on your requirement, you can do it. Okay. Similarly, you want to show it dollar, just select it and make it dollar. It become dollar now. Okay. So now you want to show in percentage. So select and do the percentage, it will become percentage because 100% equal to 1, right? So clear now. Next is you want to select anything in the format also, right? So whatever we discuss now, example, this size. So again, I'm just writing it again here. So okay. So example, you want to format, right? What we discuss how to format it from here, right? So in the same case, you can do directly. You keep the mouse, cursor point here, right click, and here also the exact format it's saying, fill color, font color, everything you can do it here itself. Okay, so you can decide, right click here, this is easy button, right? So you decide which color you want. Okay, this doesn't look good, make it. Okay, so you have to make it bold, right click and make it bold. You want to make it italic, right click and make it italic, right? So both sections are there, and here also it was there, and font, and here also it is there. Clear? So next is example, you want to make it other way, we will discuss how to format. So just go to here, select any cells, right click and format cells. Okay, if you click format cells, example, you want to do the format, right? So you can design, okay, example, this is the text, right, number. So it's general, And alignment you can decide, okay, how the look like, it should look like. See here how it look like now. Okay, rotate. Now I rotate, right? I did the orientation, right? I did the orientation, right? Vertical, horizontal. Based on that, you can decide. Example, you click here. See here. Okay. Similarly, you want to do the, so you can decide anything. How the format. Okay. Again, example, you can do the wrap test here, shrink to fit, merge cells, everything you can do it here. Okay. So you can define, to what degrees, or to what angle it will uh, uh, change the orientation of the text. Okay, so similarly you want to make it the font. So here also you can decide, right? On top here also font size, color, style, everything is there, right? So here also you can see font size, font, different font style, regular, bold, italic, bold, size. Okay, underline, strike through. Example, strike, you want to cut it, strike through, just click here. Now it becomes strike through. So this one example, you want to make it superscript, just make it superscript, it became, it will go up, right? You want to make subscript, you can make subscript. Okay, you want to make it normal, just click it here, click the format painter, you just click it. Okay, so next is you want to see the border. Okay, so the border you can select also, like what border you want to see. Example, this border, or this border, this border, this border, you will select it here. Okay, you define outline and select the border, click it here to become border. You saw. Next is the example, you want to do the format of, again right click, format cells, and do the fill with color, different color you can see. If you have more color, you just click more color and you decide any which color, whatever color you want to custom. If you have the idea like which color, RGB, red, green, blue, if you know any color code, based on that also you can define it here and you can do the fill color. Okay, similarly if you want to do, we saw number, alignment, everything. Okay, and we'll discuss details also, no? How to do the format of date, currency, everything that we'll see details. So example, I want to see, I put number something like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and that will make it number. So here example you saw here also, right? Under the number, like comma style, increase decimal, decrease decimal. So here also you can just right click and format cells and select the number. You can define decimal, by default it's 2 decimal, you can increase it or decrease it. With comma separate you can define it here. Okay, whether you want to see negative as minus, negative as in red color, no, whatever you want, you can define it on your own. Okay, next is you want to define the currency. Okay, so you just click here, you want to select the currency, directly go to the currency. This symbol become which currency, dollar, no, all the currency it can come here, it's showing here. Okay, so example India, right? So example India, and see here Indian currency also it came here, currency symbol. Okay, so whatever the currency symbol also you can select it, you can see it here. Okay, similarly you want to define the, we discuss the number, we discuss the general. Okay, we discuss currency. You want to define the accounting, like decimal, you can define it here. Okay, similarly you want to write some date. Okay, example I wrote 24/07/2023 and I'm just going it here. This is date, right? I'm just selecting the date, format cells and make it date. So in which format date you want, right? So that you will define it here. Example this one, I just clicked it here, so it's your date, month, format cells. So example you want to see this month. Okay, 14th month example, stay here. Okay, so okay, so here let me take it properly. 2023 07/24. Okay, now I'm going to format cells. I'm going changing the format. Let's see. Now change, because first time I didn't write properly the date format. That's the reason. So if you write in the proper format, you can change the uh, date display. So example here. Okay, so you can define like how the date should look like. Okay, so next is, so these are the different types of formatting which you can do, inside the Excel. Okay, so hope this video helped you to understand how to do the formatting with the different like font, alignment, numbers, everything. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much.